When one agent contaminates downstream state, restarting the whole fleet is the wrong default. EvidenceBound Recovery Mesh is a trust-aware flight recorder and selective self-healing engine for autonomous agent fleets. This is a live Google Cloud deployment using 4 Google ADK agents: Statistician, Scout, Skeptic, and Orchestrator, with Gemini 3.5 Flash on Vertex AI. The baseline is fully verified. Every material step is checkpointed with explicit dependencies, evidence and output digests, policy version, provenance, integrity state, and deterministic verification status. Now I inject a controlled stale evidence fault into the production judge flow. The history snapshot becomes the trust break source. Recovery Mesh immediately freezes the unsafe downstream action, traverses the dependency graph, and computes the exact blast radius. Statistician, Skeptic, and Orchestrator are contaminated downstream. Publish action is blocked, but Scout is independent of the broken evidence, so it stays verified and is explicitly reused. The key point is that Gemini is not the trust authority. The model can reason and return bounded structured output, but deterministic code decides checkpoint state, provenance and integrity validity, blast radius, reuse, and whether an action is allowed. Now, Recovery Mesh performs autonomous selective recovery. Only the affected branch reruns in dependency order. Scout is preserved. New outputs are rebound to their dependencies, re-verified, and the publish action resumes only after the final deterministic policy gate passes. The flight recorder keeps the full causal trace: what broke, what was contaminated, what stayed trustworthy, what was recomputed, and why the final action was allowed again. The fresh production capture you are seeing measured a full restart at 4 model calls and 1,788 input tokens versus selective recovery at 3 calls and 1,427 tokens. That saved 1 model call and 361 input tokens, 20% in this controlled run. Our reference production acceptance run measured 1,781 input tokens for a full restart versus 1,358 for selective recovery, 423 tokens saved, about 24%. Live Gemini usage varies, so the flight recorder reports each run's actual receipt. For fleet scale graph behavior, a separate deterministic probe exercises 100 synthetic agent checkpoints, 14 affected, 86 reused, and 1 blocked action. This is graph scale evidence, not a claim of 100 live Gemini calls. The production service runs on Cloud Run with protected judge actions, secret manager, and keyless workload identity federation. The Recovery Mesh fleet entry point is also registered and discoverable in Google Agent Registry. Registry provides enterprise catalog and discovery. It does not override deterministic trust decisions. Durable multi-week storage is intentionally not claimed in this submission. Persistence remains a separated enterprise extension boundary. Evidence-bound recovery. Mesh does not trust state because it exists. It reuses work only while its evidence, integrity, provenance, dependencies, and policy remain verifiable. Trust break. Exact blast radius. Unsafe action blocked. Safe work reused. Affected branch recomputed. Verified recovery.